This is how to add a figure in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you can select an existing one, or you can create a new project. So let's say we'll create a new project and blank project. We'll name this as figure and let's create. Then we will go to insert, go to figure, and you can choose which options you want to add your figure. Let's say from our computer. Then we will select from our computer. Okay, we will select the image. Let's open and name your figure. Then you can include the caption and as well as the label. Then choose an image width. Okay, let's say 3/4 and click insert. Then we will copy this figure and let's put it on the document. And we will recompile. And here is our figure. So this is how to add a figure in Overleaf.